Thank you for shopping at SLE Equipment. We appreciate your business. We understand that many of our customers have not had experience receiving freight shipments. So, here is a short tutorial we created to demonstrate how to properly receive your order. By following the steps provided in this tutorial, you can feel confident that you are protected and prepared for any issues that may occur with your shipment. Let's start with arranging your delivery. About 1 to 2 days before the estimated delivery date, you will receive a phone call from the freight carrier to schedule a convenient time for delivery. They will usually offer a 4-hour window when they expect to reach your home. Be sure that someone will be present at the agreed upon time in order to inspect and receive the shipment. If no one is present, the carrier will be unable to deliver your order and the delivery will need to be rescheduled, which can be done by calling the freight carrier's customer service number. Just make sure to have your tracking number or pro number ready. Freight deliveries are curbside, meaning that the truck driver will have the shipment brought to the roadside or the end of the driveway. If you selected liftgate service during checkout, your delivery truck will use its liftgate to lower the order from the truck to the street. Please note that if the unit is 50 inches or larger, it may need to be picked up at your nearest terminal. You must have access to a truck or trailer before picking up your order at the terminal. It is your responsibility to ensure your order is complete and undamaged. Do not sign anything until you have inspected your shipment. Signing for a damaged or incomplete shipment will make it difficult for us to replace the affected products and cause a delay with resolving the issue at hand. Our warehouse takes great care in picking and packaging your order, but some minor wear and tear may still occur during transit. Further inspection may be necessary if a pallet or package is damaged or missing. Other signs of damage to look out for are dented, punctured, or crushed boxes. After checking for damage, verify that all of your items have arrived by reviewing the piece and pallet counts on the delivery receipt presented by the carrier. Any handheld packages that you order should be inside the crate unless otherwise specified by your salesperson or a customer service representative. Remember that you have the right to open your package and inspect your order before signing for the delivery. If you suspect that the product you receive has been damaged during shipment, the best option is to refuse the delivery and contact us immediately. We will work to replace your order as quickly as possible. If you are unsure about whether or not to refuse the delivery, please contact us before signing. If after speaking with us you choose to accept a shipment that may be damaged, you will need to notate the damage on the delivery receipt. It is important that the word damage, along with any other significant details about your shipment, is clearly visible and legible. Make sure to inform us of the damage as soon as possible after refusing shipment or indicating damage on the delivery receipt. Visit the URL at the bottom of the screen for phone and email contact options. For additional information about receiving freight shipments, call us at 615-641-7720. Thank you for watching, and thanks again for shopping with SLE Equipment. Have a wonderful day.